Yo, what's up guys? This is my easy peasy lemon squeezy egg boiling tutorial. So, here we go. So first thing you need to do is put some water in a pot and then set it to boil. And wait for it to boil. I have it on the hottest setting, that's pretty important. But before you start that, you need to make sure you have room temperature eggs. All right guys, look at this. You can see it is very hot, rolling boil. So now I'm gonna set a timer for 7 minutes because I like it a little undercooked. All right, 7 minutes done. Gonna place these eggs in here and I'm gonna cook them on the highest setting for a minute, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Okay, so now that it's been just over 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'm going to turn down the heat to halfway. If you want a more cooked yolk, set your timer to 12 minutes instead of 7 minutes. Time's done. Now it's time to take the eggs out and just put them in this water. It's not ice water, so I'm just putting them in here to cool them off the shells a little bit so I don't burn my fingers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring those bells, and get ready to watch more videos not like this one, not even related to cooking. But then again, you never know what could happen.